Hello, Skylar. Well, there it is. The new Corvette.
I told you Sneaky Cat was smash. Sneaky Cat was smash.
Alright, here's the new Corvette. Unfortunately, it's not mine, it's Branson's!
Grandpa car.
Alright, what year is it, Branson?
12.
2012 Grand Sport. Thing's freaking clean. It's mint.
For sale.
For sale, how much?
38,000.
38,000, only 40,000 miles. Dude, it's mint.
Check this out. This bag.
It's pretty clean.
Comes with another roof.
Ooh, get another top. I was hoping there was nitrous bottles right here.
It's under it. There's 6 of them under there.
Man, that's pretty clean. I kind of like the color, actually.
It's a rare color. There's only 400 made and 12 of that color.
Man, look at those calipers. Those are nice. No mods, right?
Nope. Bone stock.
Bone stock.
It's got
Manual?
electric cutouts. Automatic.
Really? Oh, it's an auto. Shoot.
Means it's faster.
Yeah, that's right. All right, give us a cold start, man. Oh, it's got a remote starter now.
That remote start. What kind of shit is this?
It's got a
The
little.
remote started at the bank in the trunk over there.
So that's a stock Vet, Grand Sport. Oh yeah, that sounds bad. Sounds pretty good for stock. Not bad. And I'm guessing that's with the cutouts on. Or closed. Is that with the cutouts closed?
Yeah, this is open.
Oh yeah, a little pop. It's clean. Can you take us for a ride, sir?
Come on.
All right, so I kind of snaked you guys with the title of the video, but it's not my Corvette. But Branson has traded the CTSV in for a Corvette Stingray. He's not sure if he's gonna keep it or not.
It's
So
not a Stingray, it's a Grand Sport.
it's Grand Sport Stingray. What's the difference?
Wide body.
Sorry, don't.
LS3.
Corvette owner's about to hate me. That's right. This one has LS3. Sorry. I get them mixed up. It's pretty clean though.
It is clean.
All right, they're not as small as I remember them being. This isn't that bad. Why does Skylar's feel so much smaller inside?
Because Skylar's small.
This thing is pretty clean.
That shit. Buckles.
So if you're interested, it is for sale. In case he doesn't want to keep it, it's 38,000, 43,000 exact miles, 377, and it's really clean. You just never modded it, huh?
No.
What a loser!
He was smart.
No, that's not smart. I'd have thrown a Pro Charger on it, some nitrous,
The smartest thing
Power
he did.
Glide.
The smartest thing he did was buy a car that's already modded.
It's true. Are we flooring it right now?
It's floored.
Oh, there we go. Oh, we're beating the King Ranch. Ooh, it's actually not bad. It takes a while to get there.
Not bad for a stock LS3.
Not bad. We don't know how to traction control off there. No? You're just gonna send it.
Whoa! It doesn't shift itself like the V. There we go. Might have to do that over again.
Oh, shit. Alright, are we in sport mode this time?
We are in sport mode.
How do you know? Alright.
Now we are.
Okay, now we're in sport mode. There we go. Not bad. So we gotta race Skylar's bet?
They don't want to.
Alright, so Skylar, whenever you want to race us, $100. Backwards dig race.
You have to start in neutral out of the car with the car off and the spark plugs out, and I get 3-car head start.
So you've got to assemble the spark plugs, start the car.
You got to go buy the spark plugs, put them in, and come back.
Probably still gapless.
Yeah, probably.
Dude, this is pretty clean. I think Branson made out pretty decently. Pretty decently. There's Joe's ZL1. Video coming soon. Nice little leather bolstered seats. What is it? 3LT?
3LT.
3LT edition. Well, congrats, Branson.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. It's pretty good. Pretty good condition. All right, so yeah, I kind of snaked you, but you know, you guys knew I wasn't gonna buy a Vette. Come on, man. Although they are really good platforms. That one starts with the LS3. I don't know how strong those 6L80 auto trans are, but the LS3 is obviously a really good platform. And there's tons of aftermarkets out there. I'd say that's the biggest problem with the Mopars is the aftermarket is not near what the GM and even the Ford aftermarket is. But so Branson, if you don't know, he had the CTS-V that I've posted about before. I'll post a video here just here.
Oh, Branson, what are you doing, dude? What are you...
So he traded his CTS-V and got the Corvette. So he's not sure if he's going to keep it or not. He kind of wants to get a truck, and because he kind of needs one for work, I guess. I don't know. He doesn't really need one, but he's not sure if he's going to hold on to it. So it is for sale if you're interested, which I don't know if that's a good price, but it seems, you know, in the 30s is probably a pretty reasonable price for that car. The car's in really good condition, and it's a really good platform. You know, the Corvettes, they're already super light, and those motors are really strong, and they can take a beating. And obviously, like I said, the aftermarket's real good for them. So just a quick little short video for you guys. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Pushing heavy under